Here are the charts I found interesting for the week ending July 25th, 2025. Next, here's copper. Speaking of tariffs, copper had a major move a couple of weeks ago from Trump's tariff announcement, and then it pulled back right to the Fibonacci 50% point at $5.43 a pound. And then last week, I noted that copper had my pattern number 5 and my pattern number 7, which were trend up signals. So I called for an immediate rally to test the highs of copper. And that's exactly what happened. So that's a win. Here is a zoomed in version of the highs. If you note these upside tails on Wednesdays and Thursdays price action, and they're also wider range up bars, that tells me that a large amount of buying came in, but all that buying was met with equal or greater, actually, amount of selling to send prices down. And actually, Thursday had a classic clear out pattern where it made a higher high, it opened higher, had a higher high above the major pivot high of a few weeks ago, fell all the way back down, not only below Thursday's open, but also below Wednesday's close. And that forecasted lower prices on Friday, and that's exactly what happened. Of course, copper right now is setting up a 2-bar mean reversion play for a long in this coming up week. But again, with the FOMC meeting, I would be very apprehensive about taking a trade, too heavy of a trade here. And again, other factors could be the more tariff announcements or a pullback of the tariff announcements. And then also note the market dynamics about the front loading of copper inventories, that a lot of people have been buying copper ahead of the proposed tariffs coming into play. If the tariffs are pulled back, people could sell off their copper.